if you want to blow up your Instagram.
Or if you interest to train Flux model to create consistent character AI influencer and actually make money, you are in the right place.
In this video, in 4 easy steps, we will use ChatGPT to create AI influencer text prompt and use Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra to convert it to our AI influencer, and we will use Flux Redux to create more variants of the same character, and we will train our Flux LoRA model so we could create our AI characters easily. And as this video's bonus part, we will uncover 21 viral Instagram poses, and I will reveal a game-changing one-click trick to convert them all in one to a detailed text prompt. And the best part is, we will do all of this for free. So stick around for more tips you don't want to miss. First of all, let's use ChatGPT to help us to visualize our AI influencer using detailed text prompt. I want to use ChatGPT to ask I need a detailed text prompt for an AI influencer with a pastel pink hairs. And as you see, in just one click, ChatGPT give me detailed text prompt for our AI influencer. Let's just copy this text prompt. Now let's use Flux 1.1 Ultra as most realistic AI text-to-image model using our UpNext tool, Glyph.app. This is Glyph.app interface that allows you to generate 20 daily Flux Ultra images for free, and you can access to your remaining daily credits here. To start using this tool, click on Glyphs tab and search for Flux 1.1 Ultra. I want to use this model, and let's paste ChatGPT's AI generated prompt here and run this glyph. As you see, Flux Ultra create this ultra realistic AI model, and we could download this AI generated image by clicking on this download button here. I tried same prompt with different hairstyles, and I think this long hair wavy style perfectly matches to our AI influencer Simone. As we discussed before in Flux Consistent Character video, we could use Flux Pullet to generate same variations of our AI influencer with different profile and styles that you could find this video in description below. But for this example, we will use brand new Flux Redux to generate different variations of Simone. To using Flux Redux, I want to reuse Glyph.app. Just click on Glyphs and search for Redux. I want to use this specific Orion Pro Redux model that you could find in description below. Now I want to attach 2 of Simone's AI generated images in different angles and profiles here, and I want to prompt right profile smiling realistic in white background and run this glyph. And since we want to train Flux model, I prefer to use 1:1 aspect ratio for these AI text to image Redux generations, and this tool did a great job in adding a smile to our AI influencer Simone. And you could download these images using the download button here. And after some retries, I have enough images to train our LoRA model. So let's use Shaker.AI to train Flux LoRA for free. This is Shaker.AI interface, and you just need your Google account to sign into your Shaker.AI interface. This is an all-in-one AI image generator that includes vast number of AI models, including Stable Diffusion 3.5 large and Flux models. Also, all-in-one AI image generator, Automatic 1111 and Comfy UI are available to try these models online for free. And you could find full review of Shaker.AI in this video, but for this example, we want to try train LoRA feature here. Shaker.AI gives you 400 credits per day. That's more than enough to try it for free. And to train our LoRA, you could choose between different models, including Stable Diffusion 3.5 large. And for this example, I want to try Flux 1 Dev model with default repeat and epoch settings to train our LoRA. Okay, just click on upload images. Now let's upload combination of prepared AI generated images with Redux and Flux Pullet. As you see, I renamed all of these images with combination of Simone plus numbering because I want to use Simone as our trigger word. And I want to paste ChatGPT's AI generated prompt here and start it with Simon. I want to add Simon trigger word here as well and click on crop and tag, and this tool automatically crop and tag our images. And as you see, this train will cost 305 credits for us, so we could train it for free. Let's click on start. Also, I do the same method to train another LoRA with my images in different poses and profiles. And after spending 20 minutes to training, finally, our Flux LoRAs are ready to go. Just click on test LoRA and choose one of the trained LoRAs. Paste your text prompt here. Choose between image to image and text to image generation. And for this example, I want to choose text to image with default settings and click on generate. That will cost us 34 credits to generate AI Flux images with your new trained consistent character. And after a while, our AI generated images with the trained face are ready, and you could preview, highlight and download these images. Congratulations! Now you are ready to blow up your Instagram or make money with your AI influencer using these free Flux trained LoRA models. As I promised before, except you may need some viral Instagram poses and text prompts to regenerate them. That will guide us to our bonus part with two options. Option 1 is pretty simple. Just head over to ChatGPT and ask for suggest 21 viral outstanding Instagram poses plus brief text prompt that describes yourself or your AI influencer with luxury colorful outfits in different sport and travel daily poses, plus background description as detailed text prompt, and submit this. And as this part first pro tip, please remember to add your model, height and weight to get more consistent physical results. And as you see in just one click, my 21 Instagram poses are ready to try with trained Flux LoRA. And for option 2, head over to Google and search for trending female poses for Instagram. Just head over to Images tab, and it's up to you to search and download between these trending poses that perfectly matches to your vision. Or just use Instagram viral poses guide that you could find this page link and description below. After a while, I chose these 21 selected poses. Just select them all and rename them with the pose plus numbering format to use them easily in the next step. Now compress these poses as a zip file. Finally, head over to ChatGPT again and use paperclip icon to attach poses.zip file to ChatGPT. Now I want to ask this archive, including Instagram poses, please describe each image details, including model pose, body state, detailed face expression, super detailed clothing, plus environment and lighting, plus anything I missed to add complete details to text prompt. As our second pro tips, please add looking at camera for all text prompts. And as you see in just one click, I convert these 21 poses all in one to detailed text prompt as I promised before. Congratulations! Your AI money-making machine is ready to go. And please let me know about your experiences in the description below. And thanks for supporting channel with your likes, comments, and of course subscribing channel. And please share this video link with your friends to join us in one-click tutorials AI adventures.